Hi guys, in this video we will revise the topic linear equations, right? First of all, what is linear equation? Linear equation is just an equation, right? That makes a straight line. So first of all, the first pointer is like that. That's an equation that makes a straight line. It always makes a straight line when you graph, okay? So linear basically means straight line, right? Okay, this is point one. Point two, this is first point. The second point is that the big rule of the linear equation that x can only have a power 1, right? It based on the variable x or y, one variable. So right now I'm explaining you one variable, right? Two variable. When people go in grade 8 and simultaneous equation, we will learn two variables, means like two different variables. But here, linear equation simple, and we are dealing with one variable. Okay, the third point is that it always looks like this form, right? Y is equals to mx plus b, right? In this, the question based on this form, right? So, for example, m, y, m, and b, they all are numbers, right? They all are constants. For example, y, you can take like 15 equals m is all again a constant, it's 2x plus b is again a constant, you can say like 3. Okay, this type of equation that you will dealing in the linear equation. Okay, so this is basically in this form, right, students? Now, what we need to do here, I'm going to solve some questions, right? Question one. 2x plus 3 equals to minus 15. This is question one. How are you going to solve it? We need to find out the value of x, means the unknown value. Here we have x, right, in this equation. So we don't need this plus 3 along with this x, even we don't need this 2, right? So how are you going to solve it? The rule says both the sides should be imbalanced, right? So this 2x equals to minus 15. So this side is LHS, and after equals to RHS, right? We have two sides in the equation. So 2x plus minus 15, this plus 3, we shift from LHS to RHS. We change the sign, we reverse the sign, it becomes minus 3. Now next step, 2x, and we know that minus and minus gives you plus. 15 plus 3 gives you 18. Negative sign, reason both have negative sign. Okay, both the terms have negative sign. Both the terms means 15 minus 15 is also a negative, minus 3 is also a negative. So that's why an answer always comes in negative. Now, what's the next step here? The answer is still incomplete. The reason that in the end that we need to find out the value of x. So here 2 and x, they both are multiplying with each other. Okay, so when they both are multiplying, the rule says that this 2 shift to the other side means to the right hand side, the denominator, because when it will come in the denominator, it means that you are doing division. Okay, 2x, 2 will never be plus or minus to the other side. It will come down in the denominator. Now simplify them. 18 is the multiples of 2 times table, 2 times 1 and 2 times 9. So x equals a minus 9. I hope students that you understood about this concept. Thank you for watching.